Excuse the pun, but the timing has never been riper to celebrate National Clean Out Your Fridge Day on November 15th. This is the perfect opportunity to tackle that science experiment that's been growing way in the back, there. Of course, ideally, we'd all clean out our fridges far more often than once a year, but let's be real, making it an annual occasion provides everyone with the reassurance that at least the horrendous situation with your roommate's long-forgotten homemade kombucha will be rectified eventually, and marking it as a day on the national calendar gives you plenty of scope for getting passive-aggressive in the preceding weeks. New technology means new problems. Ever since the first household refrigerator hit the market, consumers then became burdened with a new thing to deal with, cleaning it. From 1911 to 1922, the technological advances of home refrigerators and refrigeration technologies increased at the rate of speed rivaled only by smartphones. It wasn't until 1927 when GE produced the Monitor Top, a reference to the ironclad Civil War-era ship, the USS Monitor. This model alone sold over 1 million units. It wasn't until post-war America that separate freeze box units were created and used in addition to the typical refrigerator. And then, in the 1970s and 80s, further developments helped create the combo model we usually see today. Regardless of what kind of refrigerator they had over the years, everyone had the task of needing to clean it out. Whether it's the moldy oranges, the brown bananas, or that milk you forgot about, cleaning a refrigerator is something that Americans over the past century can relate to. On This Day event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.